have a real special one. The 2015 911 Turbo S Cab in Agate Grey over Cognac. And is it good? It's got 14,000 miles from new. And yes, it is good because it was my wife's. It is awesome. It has been serviced. I don't know why she wanted to get rid of it other than she has a husband in the car business. And we had a silver one with a red interior. She just liked it. So this one's for sale. And it's perfect. So let's go for a ride. I don't know why we are going for a ride because the car is perfect. Okay, all. So it is running already because there's no sense in not having it run. It is excellent. And watch this. Watch this. That is my wife's seating position. This is my seating position. Since it was our own car. And I hope to hell she does not regret getting rid of it because I already do. But she is my wife, and I love her.
Happy wife, happy life.
No. That might be in Long Island. She knows the psychotic individual she married.
Well, we are here.
I am a little ticked off. This is an awesome car. I drive it in sport mode. It sounds wonderful. It goes well. It's going to be one of the shortest road tests around because we just put rear tires on it. It's been serviced. It's been loved. It's burned up the highway between here and East Hampton. East Hampton to here. Everything works. Normally, you would see that there would be an iced coffee right there. But now that she doesn't own it, we can shut this thing and not have an empty cup of coffee. So we're going to do simple flybys because there's no sense in showing you how quick a Turbo S is. Everyone knows how quick a Turbo S is. We would like to show you that it runs with all four wheels true and not wobbling down the road. And that's going to be it. So I go back to my office and get back to work. Alrighty? We'll be back to you.